Jennifer, and I have for you day 23 of my Christmas Advent. So let's get started, and here we go, and get that open, and we have today dairy milk right there, and it says, where is this present hidden? And it's the round yellow one. So let's see. Oh, here it is, right there. Alright, I enjoy finding everything on the box. And the tea for today is ginger mint. And let's see what's in it. And ginger mint is 30% ginger, 30% green tea, 20% lemongrass, 10% spearmint, and 10% peppermint. Oh, this is going to be a real good favorite. I can't wait to have this one. That's going to be yummy. And our day 23 for Summer's Day. Pull that out. And it's really pretty. It's very similar to yesterday's, which was gray with blue, and it's all blues. I like that. And now for our Paw Ply. Oh, this is really pretty. I like this one. It is Galaxy Pudding. I like this. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? That is going to look really good. Right there. I love these. These are beautiful. So, that's stunning. I can't wait. And, wow. This is a great day 23, guys. I love it, I love it, I love it. So, stay tuned for day 24, and then there will be a day 25. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and happy yarning. Bye now.